Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G54 and let me show you how to use secret codes. So at first you need to open your phone gallery and reach keypad, so this is how you can enter it, because only on keypad you can enter, successfully enter secret code. So let's start with the first one, which is asterisk pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here you've got calendar info. Unfortunately, I do not have any calendar connected with this device. However, if you do, you will be able to see all upcoming events right in front of you. So it's super useful one. You don't have to go through all calendars, but just enter the code and you know. Now the second code is asterisk pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. This one will show you FCM diagnostic mode. So here you can check events and status. And once you want to see some further details, tap on more icon and select advanced view. And here it is. Let's go back. And the last code that I would like to show you, but very useful, is asterisk pound 06 pound. And this one will provide you with device information such as IMEI or serial number. Click on OK to exit. And that's it. This is how you can use secret codes. You can do it whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.